Kamusta mga Pirata? Liam here, and guess what arrived in the mail today? Alright, if my hula is correct, this is supposed to be a PoE router switch. So we're gonna unbox it and I'm going to explain as I'm unboxing. Okay, so for those of you who don't know what a PoE router switch is, PoE means power over Ethernet. So you know those LAN cable, Ethernet cable thingies you have for your routers? Basically what this does is it allows current to flow through those so that you can use another PoE router, so that you don't have to plug the router into the power socket. The only thing you need to power the router is your LAN cable. Anyways, let's cut this thing. Come on. I ordered this off Lazada for around 3,700 pesos, and there it is. Alright, the TP-Link 8-port gigabit easy smart switch with 4-port PoE. That's a whole lot of words, guys. Anyways, it has a cool box. Look at that, it's pretty shiny. Ooh, shiny. Shiny. It looks like one of those, you know, special Pokemon cards you get when you, like, you know, those foil cards. It looks like one of those. Look how shiny that is, guys. Ooh, is the mic even turned on? Okay, the mic's turned on. I thought the mic wasn't on. It would have been bad. Okay, so let's get into the unboxing. Alright, so oh, it's a box within another box, guys. Let's see what's in this box. Ooh, and there you go. There's like a what's this? It's a tiny CD. The installation guide. Oh, I think this is the manual. Who uses CDs nowadays anyway? And here it is. The main router, PoE router switch. We'll check that out later, guys. For now, we'll see with the accessories. And yeah. Alright, so the accessories are this. Whoa, this is a pretty big power cable. Look at that. This is like a meaty power cable. Oh, there it is. It's pretty basic, but it feels pretty nice. It's made from this metal thingy. Not sure if it's aluminum composite or just metal. And it has this like cool aluminum finish. And then these are the PoE switch holes, LAN holes, the PoE LAN holes where you could attach your PoE routers. Okay, so that is it, guys. I'm just gonna admire how smooth it is. That's the weirdest. Oh, it smells pretty nice. You know that new car smell? I think every piece of technology has a new technology smell. This thing definitely has it. It smells like those. No, it doesn't smell like the plastic. It just smells like new technology, guys. Anyways, that is the TP-Link 8-port gigabit easy smart switch with 4-port PoE. Alright, let's get into installing this, guys. Alright guys, so this is the reason why I wanted to buy one of those PoE router switches and wanted to install PoE routers. Here's why. You see that whole mess of wires right there? And then the plug right there. So when you use a PoE, you wouldn't need that part anymore. Wait, it's focusing on my finger. Okay, you wouldn't need that adapter anymore. Basically, all you'll need is that Ethernet cable and just the router. So it's gonna pretty much clear up all this mess. Alright, back to the installation, guys. Here it is. We'll just read that installation guide later if we have problems trying to make the thingy work. But right now, we're gonna try to plug and play it. So, boom, boom. I think it worked because there's a little green light on our PoE router switch and the router isn't connected into any electricity, so we're gonna test that. Alright. Okay, so that's what I assigned the router to be, air lobby. And apparently we're connected. Speed test. Alright guys, so it was a major success. I didn't think that it'll work that quickly. Most of the times all the tech thingies that I do don't really work as smoothly as that one. So I'm pretty surprised. Maybe the router's gonna catch fire later or something. Something wrong's gonna happen. Anyways, right now we are gonna enjoy our victory over this PoE router. And we're gonna rest. Alright guys, that was my video about the TP-Link PoE router thing. I hope you liked this video and found it a little bit entertaining or informative of some sorts. Anyways, if you like this video, please leave a comment down below of what I should do next. And please subscribe for more videos like this from your boy Lian. And as always, flying peace!